What is a good idea to boost sales of unnecessary products in anyone's life and make them buy it just out of peer pressure? Well, today is that day known as Proposal Day. It came out of nowhere. It has no significant history, no traditions, no cultural existence to it. Still, it is marketed in such a way that it has huge economic impact. What's mind-blowing is there is a full new job stream with respect to this industry known as proposal consultant. And that's because average couple spends 3 to 6 months planning their proposals, and 40% of the proposal worldwide happen between December and February. And this event is a triggering point for a lot of industries like jewelry, event planning and services, travel and hospitality, floral services, gift retailing, personalized gifts. Let's talk in numbers now. Only in US, people spent average of $6,000 on engagement rings. And if you consider the total amount of spending done globally during the Valentine week, it is more than $52 billion, which comes to a whooping rupees 4 lakh crore. And they are marketing it so well that there is a 30% increase in jewelry sales, 20 to 30% increase in restaurant services, 30 to 40% increase in hotel industry, and a lot more in travel and personalized gifts in this month compared to other months. And if someone decides not to do it, the invisible social media pressure created by these companies through your knowns make sure that you feel FOMO, eventually trapping one of the partner to do it. And that is why no matter what, every relationship in its journey will have one event known as proposal event, which will always bring money out of your pocket as necessary expense. And do read captions to know the most expensive proposals ever.